Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Medicoverse. I'm Shruti. So in this video, I'm going to be covering a very important topic, that is the importance of speed reading for NEET preparation. So as NEET aspirants and future MBBS students, speed reading is very important for us since we always have a vast syllabus to complete in a short amount of time. So usually we start realizing the importance of speed reading like a month or two before NEET exam, because that's when you have to start revising all the chapters in your NCERT textbooks, and that's when you have to complete the entire portion in a limited amount of time. So speed reading is very important, and I suggest you all that you have this practice of speed reading from the starting of your grade 11. And even if you're in your grade 12 or any point of time, it's not too late for you to do. You can start learning speed reading anytime, because it's going to be really helpful for your MBBS ahead. So let me tell you all how I learned the art of speed reading. So I learned speed reading through a mistake, and that was not studying very seriously in grade 11. I think many of you can relate to me because it was all online classes and online tuitions, online coaching, everything online. And it was very difficult for us to cope up at that time. And I would definitely say my preparation was not great throughout grade 11. But then I joined in this institute in the starting of grade 11, as I had mentioned in my NEET journey video. And in that we had tests every Wednesday. So every Wednesday we'd have about 4 to 5 chapters, and we had tests on that. And I had this bad habit of starting to study 2 hours before the test, or I should say 1.5 hours before the test. And I had school from 7 to 3 every day, and 4:30 was my test in the tuition. So I had literally 1.5 hours to study everything. And there would be usually about 3 chapters of bio and 1 chapter of physics, 1 chapter of chemistry. And I would mostly concentrate on completing bio, because bio would be easy for me to complete in that short amount of time, whereas physics and chemistry I had no hope. So I would study bio in that 1.5 hours, and the 3 chapters which I had to complete, I'd utilize my full potential and just read very quickly and understand very quickly for the test, so that I could get maximum marks from bio. So as NEET aspirants, we all love bio. So we all, for all of us, it's a scoring subject, and we all hope to get good marks from bio. So what I used to do was read those 3 complete chapters and understand them as well in that 1.5 hours. So when I say speed reading, don't mistake me. Speed reading is not just blindly reading the NCERT or just blindly reading anything and not understanding it. Speed reading is actually where you read all the lines and you understand it simultaneously. So that is very important. Understanding while reading is very important, and that really comes to you through practice. Speed reading is very important in bio, since we have a lot of chapters in bio, and usually towards the last and end of NEET preparation we give more focus to physics and chemistry, and we tend to revise bio in the very last moment, and we need to read all the chapters and just skim through all of the chapters in a very less time. So speed reading is very important for bio. So if you ask me how to start the practice of speed reading, then I suggest you take any day of a week, and it's actually very good to do 1 test paper per week if you're an 11th student, and also if you're a 12th student. And a month or 2 before NEET exam, start doing 2 or 3 test papers per day once you think you're done with the full syllabus. If you start doing full portion test papers before you complete the full portion, then it's basically a waste of time for you. You're going to waste your 3 hours and 20 minutes, and you won't be able to solve the questions as well. So initially when you're studying in grade 11 and 12, I suggest you do half portion test series, or test series which contains few chapters at a time, and not full portion test series. So firstly, for starting your speed reading habit, choose any day from the week, say Wednesday as I had. You could choose any day you want and choose a particular time, and make sure you start writing that test at that time. So if I choose, for example, say Wednesday 12 p.m, so you start writing the test exactly on 12 p.m. And before that, make sure you have studied all the chapters. And just try this habit and let me know if it works for you, because it worked for me. So try study physics and chemistry beforehand, but try starting bio at 10 o'clock. And 12 o'clock you have a test sharp. So you have to complete all the chapters in bio that is there for your test. But then you also have a limited amount of time. So in that way you start learning speed reading. So maybe for the first test you may end up skipping a chapter or something like that. But as time goes and as you keep practicing, you will be able to do all those chapters in that amount of time. And eventually you will learn speed reading. But for physics and chemistry, I won't suggest speed reading, because it's something where you need to take time and understand very well. Since we love bio so much and tend to understand it very well, I think for bio speed reading is amazing and it will be really helpful towards the end of your NEET preparation. So try practicing speed reading for bio and let me know in the comment section if it works for you all. So thank you so much for watching this video and hope it helps you all. And if you start trying, then please let me know in the comment section. And then once you've improved and you have seen results in your performance, then please do update that in the comment section as well. And all the best for your NEET preparation. Keep rocking. Bye-bye.